Today in this quick video tutorial, we'll be looking at what this exclamation mark at the end of the TypeScript expression does. So this is called non-null assertions, and it is used when we are sure that the value will always be defined. We are sure that this value is always going to be defined. In this case, we can use this. All right. So what it actually do is it'll actually tell the compiler that we are sure that the value won't be null or undefined. So it's a way to assert to a TypeScript compiler that you have manually checked the value is not null or undefined, and you're telling it to proceed without emitting a null check. All right. So what we're doing is we are making sure that first we know that this value is not going to be undefined, right? And then when we pass this, we are telling the compiler to bypass type checking for this line. If we don't pass this exclamation mark, it'll do a type checking, right? So to bypass this type checking after making sure that this value is defined, right, we can pass this. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll be coming up with more tutorials on Next.js, TypeScript, React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and many more regarding front-end development and web development. That's it for this video.